Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.